안녕하세요. Hi everyone. We are starting a short series, Eat Your Namul. In this corner, I'm going to show you various ways to enjoy namul, or seasoned greens. Today, I'm going to share with you the most basic yet versatile salad dressing using soy sauce. This dressing is usually for saengchae, which means uncooked salad. It goes well with any leafy greens and herbs, and I always like to add a bit of julienne root veggies like carrot, sliced onion, or cucumber for crunchiness. Here are some crunchy baby romaine. Feel free to use any leafy veggies like lettuce, frisee, radicchio, or endives. Tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. And herbs like coriander leaves, chives, or any of your favorite ones. My personal favorite is coriander, strongly recommended with this dressing. I'm using chervil since I had a bunch in my fridge, and it is also good with this dressing. Pick off just the leaves since the stems are a bit too tough. And some julienne carrots and sliced cucumbers. Like I said, other julienne root veggies like parsnip, radish, or kohlrabi, or sliced onion can be added too. Now let's make the dressing. First, 1 tablespoon each of Korean soy sauce, Maesil-cheong Korean green plum extract, sesame oil, and a bit of Gochugaru, Korean chili pepper powder, and toasted sesame seeds. When you're using perilla oil, use Korean light soy sauce. My favorite way to serve this namul is with some tofu. Sprinkle a pinch of salt on sliced tofu and let it drain on a bed of paper towel for 10 minutes. Stop the skillet and drizzle some oil. Pro tip, use 1 part perilla oil and 2 parts neutral oil to pan fry for extra nuttiness. Fry until golden brown. Plate the tofu and toss the veggies with the dressing at the last minute before serving. Keeps them nice and crunchy. Enjoy your namul, everyone. Stay tuned for the next namul dish and let us know how you liked it.